Hello children, welcome to my class. In this session I am going to analyze the complete bit paper for SSC 2025 subject physical sciences. I will give complete and detailed explanation regarding each and every bit that are repeated in the previous annual examinations. The first bit, the image formed by control rays of reflection is called. So the correct answer is virtual image. B is the right answer. See the second bit, lens formula. Lens formula is nothing but 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So C is the right answer for the second bit. See the third bit, between the aqueous humor and the lens. See what is present between these two. So the right answer is pupil is present. So B is the right answer. Next, fourth one, see the fourth one. Doctor advised to use 4D lens. What is the focal length? See, power of the lens is nothing but P is equal to 1 by F. So here the right answer is 25 centimeters. So A is the right answer. See the fifth bit. During refraction, dash will not change. We have to remember this bit, very important bit. So frequency do not change during refraction. So for fifth one, B is the right answer. See the sixth one. Junction law is based on this is, see this one, so many options are given, 4 options are given: conservation of mass and conservation of energy, conservation of charge and conservation of light. So sixth is the conservation of charge. C is the right answer for the sixth bit. See this one, in the given circuit the resultant resistance, observe this one, these are three resistances are there in this circuit. So two resistances are connected in parallel and the third resistance is in series. So for parallel connection we know that 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Okay, for series R is equal to R1 plus R2. So for seventh, if you do this sum, the right answer is 7 ohms is the right answer. So C is the right answer. Next one, eighth one, see this, the SI unit of resistivity. SI unit of resistivity is ohm meter. So B is the right answer. Ninth bit, magnification M is equal to, so D is the right answer, that is height of the image by height of the object, HI by HO. Next, see the 10th bit, we get diminished image with a concave mirror when the object is placed. See B and C. Here we have to remember one thing, we get a diminished image with a concave mirror when the object is placed B and C, and at infinity there is a little bit confusion. See, when the object is kept at infinity, you will get point sized image but not the diminished image. So for 10th one, A is the right answer. Next, see the 11th one, radius of curvature is 30 centimeters. What is the focal length? We know that the relation between radius of curvature and focal length is R is equal to 2F. So for the 11th one, so A is the right answer, 15 centimeters, half of the radius. So concave lenses always forms, see this one, concave lenses, here the bit is length is given but it is wrong, concave, printing mistake. Concave lenses always forms, see they always forms, see this one, see erect, virtual and diminished image, erect, virtual and diminished image. For the 12th one, D is the right answer. Next, for the 13th one, in bifocal lenses, the upper portion consists of, see for the 13th one, the upper portion of a biconcave lens consists of concave lens. So D is the right answer. Next one, see the 14th one, at the angle of a minimum deviation, I1 is equal to I2. That is for 14th one, A is the right answer. Next one, for 15th one, the bulb marked as 60 watts and 120 volts. Find the resistance. So when you apply the formula, see that is 120 ohms is the right, see this one, see here 240 ohms is the right answer. For 15th one, 240 ohms is the right answer. So B is the right answer. So power is equal to V square by R. We have to apply this formula. Next one, 16th one, see the 16th one, voltmeter must be connected in electric circuits. We have to remember voltmeter is always connected in parallel and the ammeter is always connected in series. So for 16th one, A is the right answer. Next, see the 17th one, the cross section area is increasing, the resistance always, see this one, the resistance always decreases as the area of loss of resistances. Under loss of resistances, the length, the resistance is directly proportional to length of the conductor and is inversely proportional to area of cross section. So it is decreasing. So for 17th one, C is the right answer. Next one, 1 coulomb is equal to, 1 coulomb is always equal to 6.625 into 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 18 electrons. So A is the right answer. Next one, 19th one, the value of magnetic force on the moving charge can be found experimentally. So the formula is, see this one, F is equal to QVB. F is equal to QVB. So D is the right answer. Next one, see the 20th one, units of magnetic flux density. So Weber per meter square. So A is the right answer. Quicklime formula is calcium oxide. C is the right answer. Now, which is the hardest substance in the body? See, we know that calcium phosphate is the hardest substance. So 22 is the right answer. A is the right answer. Next, see the 23rd bit. In chloro-alkali process, chlorine gas is always given at anode. So B is the right answer for 23. Next, gypsum formula is here CaSO4 2H2O. So for 24, D is the right answer. Next one, strontium chloride always produces a flame. It always produces a flame crimson red. So for 25, B is the right answer. 26th, how many maximum number of electrons in a D subshell? In D subshell, see this one, the maximum number of that can be accommodated in a subshell is given by 2 into 2L plus 1. According to that formula, for 26th, C is the right answer. Okay, next one, 27th, if L is equal to 4, what are the MS values? See this one, ML values. Here, observe this one, if L is equal to 4, what are ML values? ML values. So you know that ML value always varies from minus L to plus L. So for 27th, see, A is the right answer. Next one, 28th, see this one, atomic radius is measured in, it is always measured in, atomic radius is measured in PM, that is picometers. That is D is the right answer. Next one, or Armstrong units is also correct, but it is not given Armstrong units, so you can write PM. Next one, 29th, least electronegative stable element is 29th, cesium. So A is the right answer. Next one, 38th, in the following, which is not belong to Dabonier triad? So radium do not belongs to Dabonier triad. So D is the right answer. Bond angle in water H2O molecule. See the 31st one. For 31st one, B is the right answer. That is 104 degrees 31 minutes. Next one, 32. The inert gas element which does not have octet electronic configuration in the outermost orbit. See, helium do not have octet configuration. Octet in the sense having 8 electrons. The general electronic configuration of inert gas is NS2 NP6. But for helium, it is NS2. So A is the right answer. Next one. See, hematite formula is Fe2O3. That is D is the right answer. Next one, 34. In the following, which is low reactive? Silver is low reactive. That is 34. A is the right answer. Next one, 35th. Blister of copper is purified by a method known as electrolytic refining. D is the right answer. Next one, galena is the ore of lead. That is PB. That is D is the right answer. Now see the 37th bit. In diamond, each carbon atom undergoes in its excited state dash hybridization. So carbon undergoes sp3 hybridization. So A is the right answer for 37th. Next one, for 38th, butane formula, that is C4H8. A is the right answer. So the general formula of alkynes is CnH2n-2. So for 38th, A is the right answer. Next one, see 39th, the suffix used for naming an aldehyde. that is all, AL. So the right answer is B is the right answer for 39th. Next one for 48th, name the following compound. Here, as for IUPAC nomenclature, that the right answer for 48th bit is C is the right answer. That is 2, 3 dichlorobutane. So for 48th, 2, 3 dichlorobutane. C is the right answer. Next one, see the next bit, next first bit. Brine solution is always, remember, it is an aqueous solution of sodium chloride. So D is the right answer. Next one, see the next bit. When light travels from air to glass, so we have to remember light is traveling from rarer to denser medium. When light is traveling from rarer to denser medium, it always bends towards the normal. So the right answer is B is the right answer. Next one, see next bit. A full length of an image of a distant tall building can be seen using dash. Here option A, convex mirror, concave mirror, plane mirror, none of the above. See this one. So for that one, convex mirror is the right answer. For third bit, A is the right answer. See the next one. See, a solution reacts with crushed eggshells to give a gas that turns lime water to milky. So here you have to remember acids react with carbonates and bicarbonates and produce carbon dioxide. So here the right answer is hydrochloric acid. So B is the right answer. HCl is the right answer. Next one. See, focal length of a plano convex lens is dash when its radius of curvature of the surface is r and n is the refractive index. So here for fifth one, C is the right answer. Focal length f is equal to r by n minus 1. We know that 1 by f is equal to n minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2 is the formula. For it is a plano one surface is plane. So r is equal to infinity. So if you apply the values, C is the right answer. Thank you, children. I wish you good luck and success in public examinations. Please like, subscribe and share my videos. Thank you, children.